Happy birthday, Kuya James!
Bless you.
God bless you and enjoy your day. Praying for good health and rest well. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya James. God bless. We love you. Galing mo sa school, tapos magpagaling ka. Bawi na lang ako next time.
Hi, James!
Happy 13th birthday!
More blessings to come.
Wishing you good health, James. Teenager ka na. Sana mag-aral mabuti at laging pakabait.
Punta ka na dito.
Yeah, we love you.
Love you. See you soon.
Bye, see you soon.
Happy 13th birthday, James. Have an awesome birthday and enjoy your special day. Stay kind, happy, and keep growing out to be a fine young man. Wish ko sa'yo, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at maging mabait sa magulang, lalong-lalo na sa matatanda. We love you. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, James. God bless you. More birthdays to come from Lola Ruth. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, James.
Happy birthday, James. Ito naman.
James, happy birthday.
Hello, James. Happy birthday. Happy 13th birthday. And sana mas lalo ka pang maging mabait na bata, malusog, and maalagang kuya kay Bella. Yan. Happy birthday!
Hi James, si Daddy Ricky to. We just want to greet you happy birthday, and we pray and we hope na you'll have more birthdays to come and always be a good kuya to Bella, and siyempre
Good boy
good
kay
boy
Mami.
kay Mami at Daddy
At
and
Lolo at Lola.
sa Lolo at Lola. Uli, happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
Jay!
Happy birthday, Kuya James. A little early reminder that don't forget we're always here if you need us. So, Kuya James, may the Lord bless you with another day of, another year of you turning older. Thank you for loving us and may the Lord give you the knowledge and wisdom and discernment and when you always need it. And we're supporting you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya James. This came a bit earlier, but anyways, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you. And
Go.
Hi, James. Happy birthday si Ate Leito. Sorry kung now lang nakapag-send ng video message on your birthday. Dami kasing ginagawa. As you can see, nandito pa ako sa office. Tapos si Ate Maji mo, tsaka sila Tita Mau ay busy sa kanyang graduation tomorrow. So, ayun. Just wanted to say na I'm really proud of you and how far you've come and how smart you are for, a 14-year-old? You know? Tapos, ayun, magpagaling ka na soon para makagala na tayo ulit. Miss ko na kayo nila Bella, tsaka nila Ai. Ganon. Dami ko nga nakikitang mga deals online na I wish we could go to kasi nga lang may sakit ka pa ngayon. So, ayun, I just wanted to say na you're not alone. Dito lang kami. Kahit na minsan makulit kami ni Ate Maji mo, tsaka inaaway kayo ni Maji. Ayun, and we'll always be here for you. Tsaka, ayun, I'm praying na makagala na tayo at magpagaling ka. Tsaka marami pa tayong memories na gagawin together. Of course, and there's also this one video na I saw na malit ka pa, tapos sinabas, nasabay mo akong kumanta. So, feeling ko ma-enjoy mo yung video. Yun lang. Happy birthday, James! We love you and enjoy your day at magpagaling ka na.
Happy 13th birthday, James!
We hope that you will enjoy your special day with your friends and family.
We love you!
Happy birthday, James. Sana madaming blessing ang dumating sa'yo. Sana pagpalain ka ng Diyos. Sana makapagtapos ka rin ng pag-aaral. Mag-ingat kayo sa school kasi marami na nangyayari. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, James. More blessing to come. Pagpatuloy mo na yung pagiging kuya kay Bella. Miss na namin kayo. Miss na namin kayo sobra. I love you, Bella at Kuya James.
Happy birthday, James. Enjoy your special day today. And ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Bella. Happy birthday!
Happy 13th birthday, James. Simula pagkabata mo, nakita kita. Ikaw ang baby namin, ni Tita Nyanya mo. And wishing you a day filled with laughter, fun, and wonderful memories. Welcome to your teenage years. May God continue to bless you with good health, wisdom, strength, and happiness. Enjoy your special day and have an amazing birthday. God bless you always. Happy birthday, James.
Hi, Kuya James. Happiest birthday to you. I'm wishing you to be always kind to the people around you and always keep safe and always be healthy. Happy birthday again, Kuya James. Bye!
Happy birthday, James! Magaling ka!
Hello, James. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to at malusog.
Good luck
Good luck sa study mo. School.
Love na love ka
Love na love ka namin.
Hi, James. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And mag-iingat ka palagi. And galingan mo pa sa school mo. Yun lang. I miss you.
Happy birthday, James! Sana maging happy ka sa birthday mo, kahit naka-online ka. Sana mag-aral lang mabuti, makinig sa magulang, at maging mabuting bata. Though high school na kayo at di ko na kayo nakikita masyado, pero mag-iingat lagi at mag-aral. Bye-bye! Happy birthday again!
Hi, James. Happy birthday. Naaalala mo pa ba ako? Anyways, happy birthday ulit. Sana makamit mo ang lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay and mag-iingat ka palagi and sana mas mag-aral ka pang mabuti at maigi para makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. See you soon! Bye!
Hi James, happy birthday. I just want to tell you that I'm very grateful to have you as one of my friends and enjoy a special day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, James! Happy birthday, James! Pare!
Happy birthday, James! More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po! Eh, pasuyo mo isa. Go! Happy birthday, James! Enjoy your day. Go! Happy birthday, James! Where are you, man? Hi, James! Happy birthday! We miss you. Happy birthday, James!
Sa'yo, James Yumol, happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday, James. Pasok ka na, Miss Naira. I love you.
Happy birthday, James Yumol! Wishing you a happy day and enjoy your new chapter. I hope that for this chapter you'll be okay and have a healthy year.
Si James, si Jerome to. Baka hindi mo ko alam, pero sa 7 St. James ako dati. Sinasabi ko lang ayun na happy birthday sa'yo. Guys, di ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Sana I wish the best for you and happy birthday. Bye! Happy birthday, James, ha? Di ko alam kung saan ka. Kaso happy birthday si Franz to. Very, very happy birthday. Sana sa'yo. Sana magpagaling ka.
Happy birthday, Tol! Big Boss Oma na lang. Sana boy, maayos ka na dyan. Pasok ka na. Yan lang.
I love you, Yumol. Bumalik ka na. Tapos happy birthday mo.
Happy birthday, James!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana bumalik ka na. Aray, wow!
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, James!